How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're actually going to be going to a car meet. I'm going to be doing a little video on that. Should be good. Today we actually have like warm weather, surprisingly like good day for March. So right now I'm actually on the way to get my one friend, and then we're gonna head down there. But before we actually get into the car meet, I did also want to mention that if you aren't subscribed to my channel, definitely be sure to subscribe, because I'm doing my very first giveaway once we hit 1,500 subscribers on the channel. I'm basically going to be giving away $100 worth of my merchandise to one subscriber, and it's, again, just going to be open to my subscribers. It's absolutely free to enter, and it definitely helps me out a lot as a smaller YouTuber. So definitely be sure to go get yourself entered and subscribe down below. And also, I did want to say, I don't know necessarily how I'm going to edit this video, whether I'm just going to like do like my normal car show videos and just kind of film and, you know, put music over it, or actually like do some sort of like voiceover or something like that. I've kind of been thinking about doing that for a while now. So in this video, I might actually just do like a voiceover and kind of talk about the different cars that I see today. But yeah, like always, I hope you guys enjoy it, and thank you guys for all the support, and I'll see you in the next one.
Thank you.